Hello, I am so excited. I have my new ring light, guys. Let me unbox it today. Thank you. Hello guys, this is Cherry from Cherry Beauty Stop. Welcome back to my channel. And I have a huge box next to me because I got a new ring light. Yay! I'm so excited. And I saw this in one of Facebook advertisement, and I said, well, I already have my ring light, as you can see it in my glasses. I'm sorry I don't have any makeup because I'm so excited, and I said I want to unbox this ring light, and I'll show you to you guys what I got. So this ring light is it's like I said, I saw it in Facebook and it's on sale, so I said why not. From 100 plus, I think we paid 60 plus. Well, my husband paid it for like 60 plus, so we ordered it, and then after 4 days it arrived. Actually, sorry, before we went to our vacation, it's already arrived. But and I said I'm not gonna open it, and I want to do unboxing, guys. I'm sorry, my face is so. When you go like vacation, it's like you don't care your face, whatever. So let me open it. The name of the brand is called Neewer, I believe so. So I'm not sure. Let me open it, guys. So I'm not gonna show you the box itself because it has our addresses, guys. So I will open up. Let's see what we have. You know what? Let me ask my husband to do it for me because this box it's very big. It's hard to open up here because I am using my phone. I'm planning to get actually a bigger ring light because I want to use my Sony camera, and my kind of old ring light, it's not that huge. So whenever I use them, I have to use two stand for my cell phone. I'm using my cell phone whenever I do videos. So I'm using my cell phone. It has the microphone, and then I have another stand for my ring light. Now I want only use one stand for the whole ring light and then camera. So let's see if it happened today, guys. So stay tuned, okay?
So this is our ring light. This beautiful thing here. Use it for lighting. Yeah. So let's go ahead and dig into this thing. So we got a couple little flaps here. You just unflap the flaps. And voila! The box is open. It's amazing how that works. So we got this box here. It's got some stuff inside. Cool. Put that to the side. Then we got this black bag. So I think we'll go ahead and roll with the boxy box first. So this box has another little flap in it. So you just undo that and open the box. So inside this first box, we got a few things. We have, first of all, the stand itself. You unscrew it, and it folds out like so. Cool. We got good stuff here. We have this little thing. It's like an extender. You put it on the end of here, and it'll extend out for a camera stand. Not really useful with this setup, but it's there. Comes with a Bluetooth remote shutter. Wow. I got like 6 of them. And then we got this thing, which the camera will actually sit on once we have the ring light set up. And then it also comes with a cell phone stand, but we already have a better one, so hey, there we go. Set. Alright, that's the box. Next, let's open this beautiful thing. So in here we have two things. We have another box, and then we have the ring light itself. So the ring light itself has two little dials here. This little dial you loosen up to turn this around. We'll make that straight for now. The other one you gotta loosen up quite a bit so that you can fit it over the head of this thing. Once you have it seated on, tighten it back up, make sure everything's tight. And look, we already pretty much have our ring light set up. Man, we are making good progress today, guys. Alright, for this box, it's got some tape on here, so let's find our little tape cutter. Yeah. Alright, guys. Safety first. You open the knife away from you, so it's not facing you when you open it up. Then, always make sure when you're cutting, you also cut away from you. Cool. Good stuff. Now, push the little button in, close up your knife so you don't step on it or something. Safety. Awesome. Once we have it open, so we got a few things inside here. We have our power cable, and then we have two power adapter things. One for European, and one for American outlets. I guess you could use it in the Philippines too, because I've never used the double outlet. But either way, and then your AC adapter. So we'll plug those in later. For now, it comes with two colors. We have like red or amber, whatever. It's like it's to cast a more like natural light glow if you use it. And then you got the white one, which, you know, in all standard usage, you'll use the white one. I don't know. I'm not a big fan of the yellow lights, but they do exist. So that's that for if we want to go ahead and attach this, just remove the rubber bands. This big wide thing down at the bottom is going to be your bottom piece. Thing to keep in mind is that there's little notches to be aware of. This little notch will go over the top of the light next to it. This little notch will go over the bottom of the one next to it. So once you have all that set, you go ahead and snap it around the outside of the light. Next, you grab your next piece. This one has a notch underneath of it. This notch goes over. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and snap this little one in and slide it underneath the notch of the other one. Click everything in and we're set. Now we got this one. This has a little notch that goes over the top. This notch goes under. Go ahead and clip it on over the top. And lastly, our last piece. Same thing, it has a notch that goes over the top. So we'll go ahead and slide it under that one. Click it around the outside. And it's also notched on top of this one. So, go ahead and make sure everything's about as tight as you're gonna get it. This thing doesn't seem to like to stay very well down here, but that's fine. The rest of it will hold it in place. Well, that's that. So now we'll go ahead and plug in the power and we'll give it a test demo. So here are two ring lights side by side. You know, we got the small one, we got the big one. This one comes with the little one does too, adjustable brightness, but you can brighten it or dim it as much as you need. Now we'll go ahead and now that you see what our two ring lights look like, let's go ahead and show you how this little piece sits in. All right. So for this little piece, you got this little notch in the back here. You just go ahead and slide it in and tighten it down. And that's pretty much it. You'll use there's a little dial on the front of it that you'll loosen to, you know, move this around if you need to, but typically we'll just keep it straight. That's that. So now we'll turn it back to Cherry so she can demo how it looks when she's using her new light.
Okay guys, I am using now the ring light, okay? This is the lowest shade of light. Maybe this is number 1. Let's check. And let's turn another. Oh, sorry. So this is the second one. Okay, I should have not. Where am I? Sorry. Bad. Okay, glasses on. I don't have makeup. So this is the second one. Third. Fourth. Fifth, I think. Sixth. Let's see the brightest. Okay. Okay, this is the brightest, guys. What do you think? Is it too bright? I don't know. Let's see. How about this? Is it too bright? Sorry. No makeup. So I think I don't know yet what if I like it or not. It's very big. Let's see if it's we'll see in the next video if I like it more. I bet I like it more because I've been wanting a big ring light. So I think that's it for today, guys, and thank you for watching unboxing my new ring light by Neewer. So if you are interested, you can always see it in Facebook and Facebook advertisement, so you can see it, and they have a discount today. Oh no, I'm not sure if the discount is still there, but let me know if you got it, guys, and what you think of your new ring light. I think I love it. So thank you for watching, guys, and always remember that there's always someone love you. Shalom, guys. Thank you.